Happy Saturday, guys. Welcome back to yet again another video. Cheers, by the way. I appreciate all of you for tuning in as we're almost at 50,000 subscribers. Unfreaking believable, guys. So in this video, we're going to break down Soundhound, the charts, my thoughts, how the stock did over the last couple of days, and where I see it going here heading into the new week. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And I want to shout out my second channel for you guys. If you didn't know, I have a second channel where we break down different personal finance topics. It's kind of like a personal finance reaction channel. Here it is right here. It's linked down below. It's just my name, Stas Surfes, and we make different kinds of videos on, how Americans can't stop spending money, car payments are getting insane, people are full of bad decisions right now financially. We cover the housing market, debt, right? As a lot of people are in crippling debt right now. We talk about net worth. So if you guys are interested in checking out this second channel, it is linked right down below. I'll also pin it in the comment section. Make sure to go subscribe as we're trying to get to 1,000 subs, and we're almost there. I appreciate you guys for all the support. As always, again, the second channel is linked right down below. Make sure to go subscribe. Let's get that thing to 1,000 subscribers. So Soundhound AI has not been doing well. Another 6% red day yesterday on Friday. That was not the best day, right? After, well, it's been getting hit even before Friday, right? You guys know that. So here on the 5-day, we can see the entire week last week, even though Thursday was closed. We all know that, but the entire week was bad, right? Even though Thursday was closed. All the other days were terrible. $22 is where we started off on Monday, actually almost $23 per share, and we got all the way down to $13 per share by the beginning of Friday. So we dumped about $10 per share from top to bottom on the week, or about 41%. So let's just say weak hands have been shaken out. Needless to say, guys, at least a majority of them, right? At least in my opinion. I don't know. What do you guys think? But yeah, no doubt. We're downtrending on the 5-day, 5-minute. Last week was bad. We had a 6% red day on Friday after all the other days being red. So yeah, back to back to back to back red days pretty much for Soundhound. And on the 30-minute chart, it's pretty much a downtrend as well. And on the 1-hour chart, yeah, you guys can see we have a death cross under both moving averages. We have a head and shoulders here that pretty much played out. You guys can see it. If I pop this up right here, we have the left shoulder. You guys see that. The head's right here. Boom. The right shoulder is right here. So that pretty much played out. Like I said, we have a death cross. Still very much so under both moving averages on this time frame. And let's see. Maybe on the 4-hour, we're looking decent. Even on the 4-hour chart, guys, we're starting to fall under the 180 SMA, which we tried holding on Friday and on Wednesday, I believe. Yeah, we tried holding it, but on Friday we fell right through it. And yeah, now at this point we're pretty much at the lows from the beginning of December, right? Which, if I zoom in a little bit here, we held early in December. Pretty much for multiple days, guys. I mean, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days. We held above $12.75, $13, and we rocketed off that point back in early December. And now we're back at the point, or at that point, guys, and essentially we gave back all the gains from a month ago. So all the gains you saw are now lost. And you hear that saying all the time in the stock market. Stocks take the stairs up, elevator down. That's kind of what we're seeing right now on Soundhound AI stock. And although I do think we will get another big rally, we're not seeing it now on the charts. We're not seeing the start of it, at least as of now. So yeah, we're falling under the 180 SMA. We're holding above $12.75, $13 by a thread. if it breaks that point, we might be slipping down back to $9-10 per share, man. That's kind of where the next gap is here on the chart. I mean, right before we hit over 12-13 bucks, right before that, I mean, in the really early days of December, we were struggling at $9.50, $10. That's where we were struggling to break. So that could be the next gap to fill on the downside if we fall through, big if we fall through $13 coming up here. So I'm going to set my alert on Soundhound. I'll put a couple. I'll do one at $13. Let me do that right now. And by the way, guys, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube. We're so close to 50,000 subs. I appreciate all of you for tuning in. So mark is at or below $13 per share. I'll put one right there. And let's say if we're successfully able to break back over $16, at that point, I'd be confident that we're breaking back to the upside. $16, you're probably like, Stas, why $16? Well, that level, you guys can see, was resistance in the beginning of December. So as we held support at about $13 in the beginning of September, we were getting rejected at about $15.50, $16. That's where we had resistance there. So for me, for this to fully break back out, I would like to see it break that level, $16. So I'll set my alert now. Mark is at or above $16, right above the highs from early December, and we'll see if we're able to break out of there. So guys, what do you think? I'm curious. I'm personally not in Soundhound AI right now as a trade or as a long-term investment. And to be honest, I'm only eyeing it up now, right now, as a trade. That could change in the future. I might buy long-term shares. Who knows? But for now, for me, it is just a trade. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alerts are set, $13 and $16. And yeah, let's see some other AI stocks quickly here, guys, before we do wrap up the video. ARM Holdings is one that's interesting. I've covered it before on the channel. I have two alerts still set at $150 and $155 per share. Those levels, in my opinion, need to break. We have to get out of there, break out of the wedge here that we have. And, you know, we tried breaking out earlier this week. Of course, the red stock market didn't help it. But we tried breaking out, got rejected. But who knows, man? Maybe if we get a rebound in the overall indexes, stocks like ARM Holdings could start breaking out. And I'm waiting patiently. Alerts are set at 150, 155. And other stocks in the space, AMD got hit again, man. Another 5% red day, down to another low, $114 per share. I'm going to buy some more AMD, most likely this upcoming week. I'll add a little more dollar cost average more into it. What other stocks in the space? Obviously, NVIDIA, we covered them yesterday. This one, a bit beaten up in the short term. I think this dip will get bought up eventually. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. Red day yesterday for the stock market. Red week. It was not a great week. And that obviously dragged down a lot of stocks out there, including Soundhound, a lot of other AI stocks. And that's just how the cookie crumbles sometimes, guys. That's just how it is. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account and deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, if you want that and you want your 15 free stocks, check out the Moomoo link down below or simply go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.